started singing a song. Those old gray clouds started drifting away. The sun is shining, won't you come on along? It's a great big sunshine day. It's a great big sunshine day. Not a cloud in the sky or a care in the world. It's a great big sunshine day. We've got big plans like lunch on Mars. We'll build a tree house made of bamboo. Daylight starts to fade away. We still have things we want to do. We'll do our best to make the most of this day. I'll write it all down and make a story for you. It's a great big sunshine day. It's a great big sunshine day. Not a cloud in the sky or a care in the world. It's a great big sunshine day. It's a great big sunshine day. It's a great big sunshine day.
Happy birthday to these members of the PBS 39 Explorer Club.
I hear it's your birthday today. Let's celebrate and shout out loud. Blow the candles with all you've got and wish upon a shining star. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
If you're interested in enrolling your child in the Explorer Club, call 260-484-8839 or visit WFWA.org. The Explorer Club is sponsored in part by Tokens and Tickets.
You're watching PBS 39, WFWA, Fort Wayne.
Wild Kratts is made possible by
The best time to play is anytime. Chuck E. Cheese's is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
It's us, the Kratts brothers. I'm Martin. I'm Chris. You know, the holidays are almost here. Oh, yes, my favorite time of year.